Hello children, welcome back to your geography class. In this session, we are going to revise chapter 4 as it will come in your second unit. So let's see the book exercises. So the first question is, what is agriculture? Answer is, agriculture is the primary activity that involves the cultivation of crops, fruits, vegetables, flowers, and rearing of livestock. So, what is rearing of livestock? Livestock means animals which not only gives us dairy products like milk but also useful in different other ways like sheep gives us wool, camel, horse, etc. They are used in carts. So these all are known as livestock. Second question is, name the factors influencing agriculture. So first of all, we should understand the question. Here we have to write the factors which influence agriculture, means which supports, which promotes, which encourages agriculture. So let's see the answer. So the two factors which influence agriculture, they are topography of soil and climate. So we should know what is topography of soil and climate. Here the climate is common term and we all are aware by this. Climate means rainfall, temperature, sunlight, humidity, etc. But what is topography of soil? So the structure of the soil in mountains will be different. In plains it will be different. In deserts it will be different. In plateaus it will be different. So that is known as topography of the soil. Next question is, that is question number 3. What is shifting cultivation and what are its disadvantages? So the shifting cultivation is the type of farming in which agriculture activities are shifted from one field to another when the fertility of the soil of the former means previous, is diminished. And what is the meaning of diminished? Diminished means reduced. So it means after cultivation, farmer leave the field which gets unfertile and they continue farming in another field which is more fertile. So this is known as shifting cultivation. Now we will come to know about the disadvantages of this shifting cultivation. So the first and the most important disadvantage of shifting cultivation is deforestation. And you must be knowing the meaning of deforestation. It means cutting plants, cutting trees. That is called deforestation. So in search of new field or to prepare new field, they cut the plants, they cut the trees, and this is the most important disadvantage of shifting cultivation. Second one is soil erosion. Deforestation is a major cause of soil erosion, perhaps the main cause. Trees and their roots provide the soil with an anchor as well as shelter from the wind and rain. When forests are wiped out, the land becomes exposed, leaving it vulnerable to being washed or blown away by elements. So it causes soil erosion. And the third factor is small patches for cultivation. So the small patches for cultivation means only a small area is cultivated which is not sufficient for feeding a large population. So in points there are 4 points: deforestation, soil erosion, small patches for cultivation, and not sufficient for feeding a large population. Next question, that is question number 4. What is plantation agriculture? Plantation agriculture is a type of commercial farming where only a single crop like tea, coffee, sugarcane, cashew, rubber, banana, or cotton is grown. A large amount of labor and capital are required. The product is processed on the farm itself or nearby factories. So first of all, you should know the meaning of commercial farming. What is commercial farming? Commercial farming is not only for self purpose, It is for selling purpose, to earn money, to get profit. So that is known as commercial farming. And only one crop is grown. The crops are given here. And as it is grown for export purposes, so a large amount of labor and capital means money, is required. The product is processed on the farm itself or nearby factories. So the meaning of processed is cleaning. So the cleaning is done itself in nearby factories. So the next and the last question, that is question number 5, is name the fiber crops and name the climatic conditions required for their growth. So first of all, we should know what is fiber crop. Fiber crops are crops that are primarily grown for obtaining fiber. The fiber is traditionally used to make paper, cloth, or rope. Two fiber crops are cotton and jute. Jute grows well on alluvial soil and requires high temperature, heavy rainfall, and a humid climate for its growth. Cotton needs high temperatures, light rainfall, and bright sunshine for its proper growth. Now let's know about take the correct answer. That is question number 2. Horticulture means, so the answer is growing of fruits and vegetables. There are different cultures in farming, but the growing of fruits and vegetable is known as horticulture. The second one is golden fiber refers to, means what is called golden fiber. Jute is called golden fiber, and why it is called so? It has gained its name as golden fiber due to its shiny brown color. The fiber is affordable to all the consumers and is completely biodegradable. And the last MCQ is, what is the leading producers of coffee? The answer is Brazil. So that's all in this video. Thank you.